One Jesus walks to the cross. One Jesus goes free. Barabbas is the scapegoat from Leviticus chapter 16. Do you see it? The one who goes free when another one dies. And that's the gospel. That's the good news, because hear me, you and I are Barabbas. We're the ones that are guilty. We're the ones deserving of death. We're the ones who can't save ourselves. And that's the gospel, because here's the thing. We're Barabbas. We're the ones behind bars. Whatever that cage is for you, whether it's sin, it's addiction, it's pride, it's self-righteousness, it's materialism, it's despair. You know the cage that has got you trapped, and we're the ones under the sentence of death because of our sin. Then Jesus steps in. And the cage doors come flying open because the righteous and just wrath of God, it's very much deserved, was satisfied in Jesus. Not because God ignored your sin, but because he punished Jesus for it instead of you. And now, in Christ, you can walk free. That's the Easter story.